Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and today I bring you an unboxing video, the biggest unboxing video on this channel. I've brought you a double unboxing, I've brought you a triple unboxing, and now I'm going to bring you a quadruple unboxing. Now there's more watches in here than a quadruple unboxing, but a couple of them are mine that I had lent out that are returning. So there's one here, there's two here, there's actually three watches in the bigger box, but only one is a new one to the channel. And here is, I'm not really counting it as unboxing, but I guess I can. Is it a quintuple? Is that five quintuple? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up, and I'm not gonna edit, but I'll put it down in below if I was right or wrong. Um, this is a bracelet for my Blue Bay Black Bay 58. So let's get started. Boom. All right. And so I think I know what's in this one here. This may be a micro brand that I've really don't know much about. Yes, it is. And that is code 41. Okay. Interesting box here. All right. Okay. So we have, it looks like it is a project where you have to put on the strap yourself. Okay, well, anyway, I will not do that now. I'll do that for the video, but that's a pretty interesting looking watch there. Awesome. Okay. Moving right along. I hope you guys are having a great day. Trying to create a little chat banter in between box openings. All right, that was a little too tough to do. Here is another one. Now this is from my buddy Kevin at Wrong Time Watch, and he sent me a couple from his collection. I know one of which is a Glycine, and I have yet to review a Glycine on my channel here, so excited about that. And this, I believe, is a sub, a combat sub maybe. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it looks like it's a combat sub. Wow, that's a pretty cool looking watch here. Let me get this off the pad here and try this on quickly for y'all. Oh yeah, that's a good looking watch, man. Pretty cool. Okay, moving on. And put that back in there so I don't lose it. Of course I wouldn't lose it. And I think he's also sent in another watch here. Ah yes, Traska. Now the boxing, whoever did the boxings for, or the outer box for Traska, also seemed to have done it for Laurier, because that's what it reminds me of. Oh, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh wow, that's pretty sharp. Yeah, that's all right. That's a good looking watch. Let me throw that on there, on the wrist. Oh yeah, that's a really good looking watch. Awesome. Okay. What a good haul so far. All right. Let me set this down because it's getting, the real estate is getting quite thin here. Okay. Okay, now I'm opening up the bracelet for the Black Bay. Okay, there we go. So I will be putting this on, and I'll try to make a video. I think I'm going to make a video about both my black based side by side together. Not a review, but just more of a topic video. And while I do that, maybe I'll show footage of me putting this on. Okay. And finally, the big package here from my buddy Chris at the Watch Lounge. And he sent me a watch. Alrighty. Interesting. Scurfa. Pretty cool. Oh wow, that's interesting. Dive watch. Wow, that's really cool. Let me throw that on rest. Oh, I like this. Wow, this is super interesting. Huh. Okay. Quartz. Very, very cool. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for stopping in for this quadruple, possibly I don't know. Maybe it's a fiver. That's because I'm at a loss of words for a quintuple. I don't know, guys. Anyway, hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you at the next video with all. I'm gonna have to do reviews for these, so I'll talk to you guys soon, or see you guys soon.